Any man we get you big money, you call him Doro Bucho. And as you get you big money, you be Doro Bucho. Ego Sanami, oh my God, you be Doro Bucho.
They get the money, then be Doro Bucho. Can't we go get the money? We go be Doro Bucho.
Oh, you are too much.
Anyway, now welcome back on the next show. We get Africa's young entrepreneurs for Inside Studio. Again, we get their president. I will get the relationship manageress.
Very flamboyant.
Man name manager.
Very flamboyant title.
Woman name manageress.
Yeah, no, two of them are manager. The two are managers.
Not manager, manager.
Manager now.
The next question I want to ask you: how, wetin happen when I just sit down somewhere? Make we form them. Wetin bring them? I mean,
who bring them?
Who bring them?
Now sit down board meeting like us like this.
And now when it begin work, when I begin they make I use English functional.
Okay.
Functional, I don't know.
Functional is
allowed.
I
go to correct. I go tell you if you English is correct.
Okay, okay.
I go to tell you.
I don't trust this needle.
Anyway, AYE was born. I was born in 2010. And when that initiative start.
Okay.
And I go say it's an initiative that was given birth to due to frustrations from business owners.
So far.
These are experiences that we have once passed through before.
Okay.
And you know, say getting where you go pass through for your life, where you self go tell God, say God, if you rescue me for this thing, people will do my back, no go pass through this frustration for that 2010. So then when it all happened, and personally I had my own situation self with this kind of thing happened to me. And during the line I found business people as well. I'm based in Johannesburg in South Africa. And I found people will say they get the same frustration. We say they go say, you self go through that kind of thing. You self go through that. And now we don't do okay now. And we Africans. Why we don't just create platform where we say people know good they go through this same frustration. So in the year 2012, Africa's Young Entrepreneurs was launched and founded in Johannesburg, South Africa. Then we took it to Ghana by myself and about 16 other board members who are also entrepreneurs. Well, we thank God.
When person you see, I tell you, if you ask person, say, so you don't blow. When the person tell you, say, no, they try. Or the person can tell you, thank God.
My brother.
Continue.
Anyway, we started that in Johannesburg, and we moved across to neighboring countries like Botswana, Zimbabwe. We've got a satellite and a huge secretariat in Nairobi, Kenya as well, where my vice president is at the moment. And we came to Nigeria last year. That was when we did the AYEEN 2014.
Okay.
At that program, we funded about 15 entrepreneurs, and about 80 of them were given business skills training. We had about 900 young entrepreneurs that actually benefited, got free business websites, got business skills training, got free webinars, and business recognition certificates. We go to help them too, because not be money be the problem only.
Yes.
And the mistake where a lot of people they make be that. People they will be say money they save, business day, but no network. And if you look across Africa, outside Africa, these people where they this European Union, don't be say that they get money to do business. You go find a person in France, you go get website, market saying they sell clothes. When you want buy clothes for them, you go call a friend where they Spain. The person go send the cargo to them. You go supply you go pay, she go send the money back. But in Africa, there is no trust.
My brother.
Before Ghana man go say send me shoes from Nigeria, you go look say you never pay me deposit. You say make I send me shoes. You understand? Even within Nigeria alone, person go there Sokoto go say make you send them laptop. You never collect. Even if you yourself where you collect them, you go ask a deposit. Instead no go won't give you deposit.
Buying something online, self. If I don't see them face to face, where they give me, pay you money.
You see, so that is where AYE fills that gap. With the business recognition certificate, just by quoting that I am a AYE member, you have enhanced trust.
No guarantee.
So you can say to me, my sister, give me some shoes from Kogi State
as an AYE
member, and I will sell it for you in Sokoto.
But what if person don't range mind? Say, okay, when I trust people, make I get this certificate, then I will do what I want to.
Yes.
There is a platform that actually scrutinizes you as a person and scrutinizes your business.
People, they lie, yo.
You see,
they get special talent.
It's not true, but you know what will happen. By the time you enter in the organization and you look at the motive and the system, the way it works, that spirit go enter you. That bat, you remember you say you go come that one way to your body.
Yes.
You get one way we take replace her. Now the good spirit of entrepreneurship.
So now they wanna come that 5 years ago now, I start this worker. Now another thing I want to ask again before I come to Sunshine Lady here.
Yeah,
the question
okay,
I want to ask now. Now anybody will get business. I've been a person who go school will get business.
Business is different in many ways, and I would not classify education as a system for entrepreneurship. What am I saying? Say you know book, no say you know street. Or say you get degree, now you know me say.
No mean say you sabi.
I personally, I do not employ based on your degree. I employ based on your mind.
On your sabi.
Because a creative mind can make me profit.
Sorry, Mo, take this call. Hello from Kaduna. Good evening.
Good evening.
Beckley. Good evening.
I'm hearing you.
Would they hear you? How is you? Again,
Hello?
you thief the phone. Talk well now. Your TV they too loud. I beg, call us back.
Now in the spoil in volume.
Anyway, in case you get any question to ask AYE people, make you call, make you ask them the questions. The question we will ask them when we say it will benefit on you too, we will ask them.
Hey, it could benefit.
Beneficial now.
Beneficial now.
See, beneficial is a continuous. What it benefit you is now. Then beneficial is a continuous present tense. I don't know if you are with me. Now, and that question I want to ask you now.
That's right.
From Kaduna, good evening. Peace. Peace, Mama.
Hello?
Bilikis, good evening.
Yes, man, how are you?
Hey, fine.
I like what I just called to say that I like watching your program.
Oh, thank you. We thank you for watching our program. God bless you. Now, you can now
Go.
and call us again tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye, baby. Take it. Mwah.
Take it.
Now, okay, you don't answer to one extent. Another thing I go ask you again.
No, make we ask Sunshine Lady. They do you today
sorry.
because in they look you. Sunshine Lady.
Sorry.
Because this year which kind of things they in store for young those people.
Business.
Okay, this year we get the platform where they go come pitch their business ideas and their existing business.
Where they go come pitch.
Okay, come talk about. They go come talk about their
pitch when they play ball.
See me say don't they not? I don't forget say you know if it makes sense.
I don't know. What is pitch?
Okay, they go come talk about their businesses or their business ideas to.
Okay, so panel go sit down.
Panel foreign investors, and we also get some Nigerian business giants. We go they panel as well
like
to
who?
listen to these people. We know if we talk about the people right now, but
not call their name.
so I don't go pay them for behind back.
Okay. Sorry, before you continue. Good evening from Lagos. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, my brother. How is you?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
The Wazobia TV.
Yeah, it's Wazobia TV.
Yeah, go for time you come back around through. Speak it very well.
Good evening. Here on to the President of African Young Entrepreneur.
Yeah,
you say you want to be under the president.
Okay, my name is Leke from Ikeja.
Hey, Leke, ask the president a question.
Leke, speak patient English.
Leave him. Leke, the president is hearing you. Ask it.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening. How are you doing?
Mr. President, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you doing?
Wow, it's a pleasure to
We don't speak this kind of English for you.
Continue.
Actually, my name is Leke. I was, if you can remember, I was one of the participants of the African Young Entrepreneur Nigeria Empowerment 2014.
Oh, that's great.
I was actually a beneficiary, and calling again to show my attitude of gratitude.
Wow, that's great.
For a well-done job.
Thank you very much. Hey? Thank you
wow,
very much.
It's good to hear from you.
It's
Thank
okay.
you very much.
And I heard on the social media, the AYEEN 2015 is already at the corner.
Hey! Oh, brother Leke, tell me bye-bye. This is your one corner English.
Please, I beg. What do they do now?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, what do you do? What do you do, Zonam?
I'm into real estate. I think last year I was opportunity to get to network with foreign real estate partners.
Wait, wait, because nigga wanna know vex. Now this English you take the sell real estate.
That's it. That way you get me.
Organo Vex, me self.
What are you talking about?
Which kind of English?
What is your problem?
One a corner.
Please, you gonna out of my line because not speak English. From Abuja, good evening. I wanna yo man. Joy, good evening, because.
Hello, good evening.
Better person, good evening. How is you?
Fine, no. I just thought to say I am enjoying your program. I don't know what the topic today, sir.
No, we're not now. We're not that topic today. Now Monday, now business Monday. So
we dey boardroom.
We dey boardroom. People get business. We want collect money for the business. These people now they get money. They are don't cognacs. They has money. So we want give people money for business. Thank you, Joy. Good evening.
Good night.
Good night, Biko.
It can't be like say your English can't they ginger our callers to speak English.
I don't know.
I don't understand.
I don't know. Hey,
Okay,
answer the question with the answer, John.
Jerry.
Okay,
So they consider in front of panel of yours.
And then if they get good idea or good business, they
Their
go
market
qualify.
go sell.
Exactly, they go qualify for the big money where they want collect.
Now, sorry, make I ask, I don't know which of you will answer this question.
No, answer me.
Okay, make I ask you, how many, since now you be relationship manager, how many, since you now start for 2010, now how many inter you know, we done
Waka through this
waka through
program.
now,
Oh,
where their business don't move, go permanent side.
You dey inside my mind, or be I dey inside your
That's
mind.
how we work. That is how we roll like egg roll.
Give me 5. You are too much.
Okay, for me,
How many business people?
I know of the 15 that qualified last year, and were
Like
funded.
this. Oh, this one said 2013.
So
During
now,
this
wait, now
program.
only 15,
But-
only last year, una begin give money from last year.
Just
This
for
program,
Nigeria.
for this
Okay, just
program.
for
You guys
Nigeria.
talk on
Start last
Nigerian
year.
For
level.
Nigeria. But from Africa, he would answer.
Okay, so 15 from
Nigeria.
Nigeria last year.
Last year.
Good
15
evening from
collect money.
Abuja.
With the highest amount of 15 million.
Rafael.
Chai.
Rafael, one now.
So you don't collect like 15
Hello,
million.
Ledu.
all of
Hey,
them.
how is you?
When
I don't you. How you doing?
My brother, we are here like red or yellow.
This na Corner TV na ontop after you.
Abi, the color TV makes sense, Abi.
This Corner TV
if her husband
Now, madam,
cash
woman,
you, if her husband cash you,
see her ring.
Na mistake. Na not see again.
you said a mistake.
Ledu,
Yes.
the guy who give the call just now. I want to know the day where they want start the
Massage.
massage person. Make a call it, but make a thing use me start you. I beg.
Make a team use you, take start.
My brother, your life will not be the same again. But
wait.
wait, before the panel of churches first, I'm
Rafael,
saying
now
that
then go give us money first before we start the
so
massage business.
you go beg them.
I want to make a number one person. I beg.
No
Okay.
worry. Our website, then go open website for us. You can go there. From Makadi, good evening. Hello, Agbef. Agbe.
Shouldn't Agbef just stop finish just now?
No.
Maybe Agbef.
No,
Agbef,
Rafael.
good evening.
It's not like Agbef.
Ngwa Agbef, call us back. Now, you said that 15 people from Nigeria now don't benefit from
Last
it. Now,
year.
those 15 people now, how then they do for the business way then they do?
When they monitor
Una
the
dey monitor them,
progress
of
of-
Yes.
And how the progress of them so far, 15 of them?
Actually, they were just given the money in February
this year.
this year. The program was in November.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's the first chapter of monitoring will be in July. That's when the reps they come
Chook eye for their matter, they know whether they been doing well or
Yeah,
not.
so we're going to do it 3 times a year.
Okay.
That's where, and after 5 years, AYE would detach.
But the question, thank you. Question one, we remember when Katim talk now. How una take they make money from that 50 money when they give? Because I
Because
don't know.
give close, yours
Una
give us
close
15
carry
million.
Like 15 because you talk say, if I remember, you say una don't give up to 15 million to somebody. How you go carry 15 million?
Just like that.
Give somebody.
Yeah.
Then what thing you go they make from that 15 million when you give that person?
AYE is structured in different categories.
Okay.
Okay.
We get associate members,
Okay.
we get gold members, we get platinum member, and we have honorary members.
Okay.
If you check very well now in the program, our honorary members will be attending this event.
Okay.
Now these giants, that is why the program is titled Networking with These Giants. Now these people where they don't do big things for Africa, where their business don't make an impact. Those people are honorary members. We're talking like people like in Nigeria, people like Olusegun Obasanjo, Mrs. Folorunsho Alakija,
Okay, Dangote
Folorunsho, Bola Tinubu. Those are our honorary members. They are part of AYE.
Okay.
And those are the people that have impacted and invested in the organization. To grow from a platinum member, to become an honorary member, all you have to do is to invest directly into an associate member. Associate member na person we just start.
English, they confuse me.
Associate member and person
We just start.
Where I stop?
Now that one will be free
Where I
membership.
stop?
Okay, the free membership.
Wait now.
Katim, wait, make you understand, eh?
I did
Make
try.
Katin this slow. You go need to help Katin.
You grow from gold to platinum, or platinum to honorary.
Yeah.
No, now the person will just start.
Person we just start the
Now be associate
membership.
member.
Yeah.
Even people with the university, we
Then-
just finish for school. We just get small idea.
Those ones will get
small
the
work.
ideas and then be associate,
members.
Then who can give associate member money?
You're honorary.
We've got honorary members, we've got platinum member, and a person who in business don't do well. We get a lot of platinum members now who won't become honorary.
Okay.
And
what
the
did they
only
make
way
them
where they think become honorary now, make
Yes.
them invest into the lives of associates
Associate.
through
Oh.
programs like this.
Okay.
And remember, it's not just Nigeria. We've got Christopher Visa, the owner of ShopRite. We've got Patrice Mosebe, the richest man in South Africa. We've got Sam Jonah, the richest man in Ghana. These are giants.
All of them there for AYE.
They're in AY.
Hey!
And we dey Nedu.
And we there here every time.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
Wazobia TV, Wazobia TV. Ah!
We dey call.
We-
dey call.
tomorrow we never come.
No, we dey call.
We don't come work tomorrow.
We dey call find the money.
We don't go find this money. William, good evening. Hello, William.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. Now your wife there here.
My name is Vera Williams.
Oh, Vera Williams.
You don't fear us,
Which
man.
is a man. Sorry.
I wanted to ask you a question
Yes.
concerning, and I want to ask the president of AYEEN.
He dey hear you.
question about a young entrepreneurship. What about a fashionist?
Fashionista.
Someone that is into like an handwork of making this bag handmade,
A designer.
shoes and handmade.
Okay.
So can AYEEN help that person too?
Yeah,
Can the person
thanks,
apply
Williams.
for it also?
Definitely, Williams. Last year, part of the people that got empowered was a lady, a female shoemaker, Nigerian first lady shoemaker that I think, and she was into making of shoes and bags. Okay. So fashion is welcomed, and we are looking at any type of business, from small one to big one. It's possible to be funded.
Last caller, good evening. Arinze.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening. Lisa, I hear you.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes.
I'd like to ask some
Please,
questions.
ask me, they hear you.
Yes, good evening.
Ask your question, sir.
Okay, I have some questions. I'd like to find out from the president, is it just for people who already have business ideas?
Or? Okay, Arinze, hello, Arinze.
Hello?
Now your question be that?
Yeah, and then what about somebody who wants to get a better knowledge? Yes,
Okay.
Hey, better, all right, thank
You
you.
will go website.
You go fit drop your call now, we'll answer you. If you answer.
Yeah, definitely. Like she said, 15 were funded last year, and over 80 people were given business skills training. This year, we'll be flying people to Ontario, Canada, for business skills training. So there's a vast the platform day for people who want knowledge as well and business skills.
Now,
So you're
and
welcome.
last question I go ask on abeg. If person want join for this work, a person will get business. He want become associate member so that people go fit see in business, know say he get sense, then put
How
money
you
for
go-
inside.
yes.
And how he go about am?
2 ways. First thing, go online, www.AYEEN2015.org.
AYEEN 2015 meaning AYEEN 2015.org.
The next one where I go talk on, and she go talk on, we will know that she hear them. The second one is www.AYEEonline.org.
AYEonline.com. You
Spell
just put
am.
W.
Spell
Not
am.
the
Spell
R.
am. You know spell am.
AYE, A for apple, Y for yacht.
Online.
E
Why
for
for why?
elephant.
Why are you looking at me?
No, you don't want that kind of wine. You don't confuse people.
I want to ask
A
one
for
question.
apple.
Okay.
What about those people who they won't train, we don't get any business idea, and now they won't come inside me, they train them. They
So that
need
they
to
go-
pay any money for training for as long as they go take it.
No, there's no need for you to
So waiting they need to do.
just register, become a member. You are still an associate member. But the biggest thing is, for this conference happening, Networking with the Giants conference, you must come. It's at Lagos Oriental Hotel, June 4 to
When?
6.
Okay,
June 4
June 4
to 6.
To 6. There you find giants from all across. People where you won't meet before, where you never meet.
You go see
The
them.
names where you dey hear, where you dey
Women
see for
where you want those
TV.
before.
You go sit down, have dinner with them, take pictures with them, enjoy life with them, then
We
ask
sef go
questions
dey there.
personally to these people.
Anyway,
to come for that program because we don't announce venue, we can't announce dates too, but no be free.
Okay.
So to come, you go online, the website where we don't call now to register.
How much? 30K?
That's just 30K.
Kumari don't talk and say, Katim and Neruku evening, I beg. I just checked the AYEEN website. They say registration now at 30K.
30K to come for that place. Okay, now just to come for that one. Anyway, if you want to get more information, carry waka go AYEEonline.org or maybe carry waka too. In case you want to get more information, go AYEEN 2015.org. Don't forget more information. If you get business there, we they bring this program every Monday, ginger you, so that your ministry can move to permanent sites. And I make us carry these two ganchos people come today from Africa, young entrepreneurs. Double twirly to all of them. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You can still find them come studio. Maybe we'll come talk this in proper before that June 4th.
Before the June 4 to 6 come, then we'll still come back to studio again. Come talk.
I know say easy. You know say that school where easy bit school of that thing.
Easy bit school of wiping.
Those kind of business they go keep out.
No, not go feel. Don't even ask me what the business is all about. Anyway, until tomorrow, on a good night. Thank you very much. Good night.